Alright, so first we want to download Visual Studio Code. Okay, so click 64-bit, getting started, it'll take you to the download page, download it, save file, accept the agreement, install at the default location, that's important so it installs in the path correctly. Make sure you tick add to path, register code as an editor for supported files, makes it nice and easy when you want to open cool files. Install, finish, launch Visual Studio Code. Okay, so you want to download the .NET Core depending on what you're on. You can download the core. I'm going to download the core SDK. So it's going to download, save that file. Okay, so once it's downloaded, you want to run it. Cool, you want to install it. So it's installed. Here's how to set up the theme in Visual Studio. First, we want to go to settings. We're going to go to color theme. I've already got a bunch installed, but if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, we can go install additional color themes. And you can just browse through and find one you like and install that one. I use the Horizon theme. Got Dracula Official, which looks pretty nice. So we're going to install that. Awesome. So it's automatically set it up. You can change it to the soft one if you want. If you want to go back, go settings, go back to color theme. Okay. Set it back to the one you want. So next we're going to go back to the extensions. We're going to remove the themes and we're going to make sure we install the C# for Visual Studio Code powered by OmniSharp. Now we're going to create our Unity project, open that one up. We're going to go edit, preferences, external tools. We're going to find open file by extension for the external script editor, and it should just come up with Visual Studio Code. If not, you'll have to set the path for that manually, which is the default path. So now we're going to create a C# script. I'm going to call it script because why not? I'm going to open that one up. So as you can see, it automatically opens a Visual Studio Code. And if we just start typing, we should have our IntelliSense, which is the auto generation of the code for you. So we've got this .gameObject, .transform, tag. Okay, so you can see that IntelliSense is clearly working because otherwise it wouldn't understand what a game object is within Unity in Visual Studio Code. If it's not working, you might have to open up the work project folder, which is just opening up your Unity project within Visual Studio Code. So here's a little tip. If you hold Shift Alt and the down arrow key, it makes a copy of the line that you're at the end of. I hope you enjoyed this video. A lot of people were asking for this sort of stuff. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to start putting out some more videos in the future, but let me know what sort of videos you want as well. Huge thank you to my Patreons, Joshua and Benodes. Be sure to pledge to my Patreon if you can. And with that, I'll leave you guys to it. Thanks.